In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search photos by location in Google Photos. If you've ever wanted to find pictures from a specific city, trip, or place you visited, Google Photos makes that process pretty simple. Instead of scrolling endlessly through your library, you can use the built-in search tools to narrow everything down by location and quickly find the images you're looking for. To get started, open Google Photos and head to the search area. This is where Google Photos organizes your library into useful categories, including places. The search feature is especially helpful if your photos include location data, since that allows the app to group them based on where they were taken. Once you're in the search section, use the search bar to look for locations. This is the main tool you'll use for finding photos by place. You can begin typing the name of a city, landmark, neighborhood, or general location, and Google Photos will usually suggest matching places as you type. As you enter a place into the search bar, watch for the drop-down menu that appears with location suggestions. Go ahead and select the place that matches what you want. This helps Google Photos understand exactly which location you mean, and it can make the results more accurate than typing and leaving it there without choosing a suggestion. After selecting the location, Google Photos may show you a map view. This is useful because it gives you a visual way to explore where your photos were taken. If you have a lot of travel photos or images from different areas, the map can make it much easier to browse by region instead of relying only on dates or albums. You can also check location information from an individual photo, open the photo you want to review, then look at its info section. There, you can see the location attached to that image if location data is available. This is a helpful option when you want to confirm where a specific photo was taken or use that information to search for more images from the same place. One important thing to keep in mind is that location search works best when your photos actually include location details. If some images don't appear in place-based results, it may simply mean they were taken without location services enabled or that the location wasn't saved. And that's how to search photos by location in Google Photos. Once you start using the search bar, place suggestions, map view, and photo info, it becomes much faster to find memories from exactly where they happened.